This is XUFUJI Assorted Crispy Candy. It got totally 4 flavors, and this candy is like all different layers. So let's open the package to see what's inside. Yeah, so we're gonna find out all the flavors, and then we just open them all up. Yeah, right after opening it, you can smell that's really good. And yeah, so yeah, this is the 4 that we are looking for. Actually, we got a little more. Yeah, so let's check this is the peanuts. Oh my god, so crispy. It's sweet and crispy and have the rich flavor of the roast peanuts. And this is the black sesame. I'm probably not going to do that again, just in case it popped. Yeah, you see that. When I squeeze it, it just like this. Super crispy. Very rich flavor of the black sesame. This is coconuts. It looks great. It's a very rich coconut flavor. Even though they look the same, you see that this is coconuts, this is peanuts, but very good flavor. And this is peanuts as well. Let's see what's the difference. And I think there's no big difference between this one. I think they taste almost the same, but all of them are very delicious. And like I said, this is the Chinese traditional candy. It's very, very crispy. It's soft, you see. It's super soft, and it got rich flavor. Great. I probably just cannot stop. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.